Hi there, Chris here with another product review for you guys. In this video, we are going to take a look at Citadel's new painting handles. Well, these are pretty much the older painting handles, as I have one from the earlier edition where they first came out, and we're going to kind of quickly compare it to that. This new one here, they have this new box set, which is collecting 5 of them, which allows you to do some assembly line type of painting, which I think is really great for those of you out there getting your armies done. And it makes it pretty handy for just simply grabbing a whole bunch of models and having them ready to go, rather than if you only had the one, transferring them off, putting on another one, transferring them off. Now the other one is that they have this new red one, and well, it's red. It feels about the same weight. In fact, let's unbox it and let's find out. Let's find out if this thing is any different other than being red. But as everybody knows, oh, wrecked the box now. Oh, the box is wrecked. Oh well, that's mine now. So it's red. It's actually not that red. Holy carmolies, it says Citadel Colour on the side, and it is virtually identical. It seems to be cast from the similar plastic, and same design. It is, here's the first one to come out initially, and this is the new one. It's got the new Citadel Colour logo that they've been doing, and so, but otherwise it's virtually the same. It's got the same metal pins in there, same size. It looks like it holds all the same bases. So yeah, it looks like it's pretty much the same, except it's red. Does this top screw off too? Yeah, this thing does screw off. See? You can mount it to a tripod if you want it. Anyway, so this is basically, it's a new one. It's red. For those of you out there who wanted red, and in fact, because it's got the new logo on it, it's because it's red, it's going to paint a lot faster. I have really liked this product in the past. I have had concerns previously about the complexity of a bunch of little springs and screws and like wearing out over time. But so far these things have held up pretty good. One small thing I kind of wish that they would have done, especially if they were updating this product, is actually incorporate a weight into these handles, as I do find them a little top heavy. This mechanism up here has a bit more weight than the base here, and so that wasn't my initial thoughts when this product first came out, and it seems to be that it's still there, just new fancy logo, new color, but otherwise it's the same thing. So if you've been a big fan of the previous iteration, I think you'll continue to be a fan of this product, and you might even get a little bit more painting done quicker because it's red, and red goes faster. Let's have a quick look at the 5-set box. I assume that this is going to be a pretty standard affair. And what do you know? Look at that. It's 5 handles in a box. So there we go. nothing fancy there at all. Just 5 handles. It's the older handles too. Look at that. It's got different logos on it. But it's all the same. They all, work pretty much identically. And that is pretty much it. So if you want to pick up 5 of these handles in a box set, now they sell them in 5, and make it easier on your purchasing. And I guess people really needed that. I don't know, maybe are there 10 packs coming out? Maybe there's 10 packs coming out. I don't know. That is it. That is the Citadel handle. Hopefully you guys found this somewhat informative and interesting, and huge thank you for everybody for watching, and a huge thank you to my patrons who help keep the lights on this channel. And if you're considering Patreon support, click the link down below, and thank you for watching, and take care of those brushes. They'll take care of you.